So what'd you build today?
What we have right here is an awesome gaming PC for PCBros.tech. Features some pretty nice high-end hardware. First up, we have the Ryzen 7 5800X, which is an 8-core, 16-threaded processor. And we put that thing inside an ASRock XY70 Phantom Gaming full-size motherboard. For the RAM, we have Team Group T-Force Delta RGB 3600 MHz RAM, which we did color coordinate with this build. We also have a 2TB Inland Platinum NVMe Gen 3 SSD, plenty of storage for the latest games out there. It'll take up all the storage that you have. We also are using a AMD RX 6700 XT, a reference style card with its 12 gigs of VRAM. And we also, for power, have a Seagotep 750 watt 80 plus gold power supply, which is ATX 3.0 ready for the latest gen graphics cards if you want to upgrade. And it's all housed inside this TD500 mesh with this nice 360mm AIO from Cooler Master. Everything is all synced up nice with Cooler Master and ASRock software, so everything is going to work great. And it's going to be $1,300 over at PCBros.tech. So whether you're looking to get into 1440p gaming, entry-level live streaming, or just want a really nice looking gaming PC to play anything you throw at it, head on over to PCBros.tech today, buy this PC, and check out some of the other PCs we have as well. Use code ToastBros2 to save 2% on your next purchase.